Whoa, why did my light turn on? Can I turn that off? Wait, is it better on anyways? That's probably better on. Anyways, what's going on, guys? It's So Crazy 10. Well, you guys probably don't know that name. Whatever. Who cares about the name? Alan, my real name. Whatever. Let's just get started with this video. So this video is pretty much just an unboxing of my Rosewill Ranger case for my computer build that I'm gonna be doing tomorrow, because that's when my parts actually come in. Today was just because this case was here in California from where I am, so it came in 2 days instead of the 3 days. But yeah, I should really like cover the microphone. I don't even know where it is because I have my fan on. It's actually really hot in my house right now. So if I don't like cover the microphone, you probably hear like a shh. But anyways, let's get started with this. I'm recording this from my phone, so pretty much means I don't have a tripod. So if I like put you down and then just like put you down like this, well, right now I just put you on my jeans, but if I do that, it's because, you know, I need both my hands or something. So yeah, let's just get started. And this is pretty much my first build that I'll be doing, and I'll be making a video tomorrow also when I start, you know, putting everything together. And today is just like an unboxing of my case and a little preparation, because I'm keeping my CD drive and my hard drive for my old ass computer over there with a 9800 and 4 gigs of RAM, and it's just it was horrible. The CPU finally fried up, so that's why I finally saved up money for a computer. But yeah, let's get started. It's freaking wow, it's actually cool. It tells me how long the video's been. It's been a minute, almost 2, and let's get started. So I've already opened the box. As you can see, freaking some bad box like handling. As you can see, like right there, it's like all messed up. The back, okay, I don't know, you can see like little dents on the box, but good thing I opened it, because when I checked on the inside, as you can see, there's like little cushiony thingy-majiggers. So yeah, so how am I gonna do this? Because I've seen like unboxing of boxes before, unboxing of cases, and they flip it over and stuff, so I might have to do that. So if I can put you somewhere, I'll do that right now, but I don't think I will. So yeah, I'm gonna flip the box, and yeah, let's see if I can put you there. No, because it's a phone, it's not gonna balance. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna put you down. I hope you guys can still hear me. Yep, I'm just flipping the box. Oh, whoa, look at the bottom. Look at this. Look at that. The bottom is mistreated like crap. Oh, sorry if you heard that. I just blew in the mic. So I'm just trying to flip the box here, and there you go. To the side, and here is flip the case, I guess. And my phone's getting hot. I'm turning off the light, the torch, whatever. I have a light over there, but it's sunny outside, so whatever. I'm just gonna take this off. Okay, and right here, it really is hard when you do stuff with one hand. Okay, so here's the little instruction manual. Ranger, the Rosewill Ranger case. It has like built-in red LED lights. It's a mid-tower case. It fits ATX and micro ATX boards. And let's see if I can. Okay, so let me flip the case the right way, like so, and put you right there. So I can pretty much just take this off and put to the side. And here's pretty much the case. Okay, yep. Look at I'm on carpet, but with shoes. But I just shocked myself with the freaking case. So here's the front. You know, you can't really see her. Let me turn on the torch again, or the flashlight, whatever. So here's the front. Here is the EVGA connection to USB 3.0s, the microphone, and the headphone. Pretty much this is the indicator stuff, the reset, and the power. Let me just take this off. Okay, what's like inside? Alright, so I'm back. My phone decided to get out of memory, so I just took like 10 minutes out of my life and taking some some videos off, or some deleting some stuff. Never mind. I can't take this out if it's like inside the little like crease right there. Or am I just stupid and not pulling it out? Yep, I'm just stupid not pulling it out, and that was not on the camera. Okay, but yeah, so that looks nice. It's shiny. I already got finger marks on it. But yeah, so that's the front. I already said what's on the top, right? Here is the side. I'm looking like not on the screen, so you know if something's like over there, then I'm sorry, I'm not paying attention. You know, this is my first little like case. Let me pull my shirt down. But yeah, so yeah, goddamn, this thing does not record, you know, widescreen. There's the side. Just move on to the back here, and here's the back. I guess it has a pre-built fan in there. I don't know what size. Does it say right there? I can't read. Nope. A little grommets for the water cooling, which I'm not going to be using. And that side doesn't have anything. And then up here I have another fan, and you can put another one in there, or one big one, I believe. Okay, and yeah, let's open up this bad boy. And I'm saying I'm sorry. Don't be one of those people that go, oh, you keep saying yeah, anyways, I just said it again. Sorry. Okay, and let's just open this up real quick. And oh my god, I'm saying and I am weak and I cannot open this. What the hell? What the heck? Is that a... it's not even a thumb screw, it's a... There's a focus there. It's not focusing, but it's not even a thumb screw, it's a freaking screwdriver crap. Or you can use a screwdriver at least, I mean. Yeah, look at that. What the heck? Or I guess it's just tight where you have to use a thing to take it off, but you can use it as a thumb screw. Okay, and just put to the side. Sorry, I'm saying a lot. It's just, I'm sorry, whatever. Because I personally get annoyed when I say so yeah. Okay, let's see this. Okay, and here we go. Okay, and there we go. Took off the side panel, and here's the inside. The two colors, two color scheme, like Ferrari type of case. Here is pretty much all the cables, the package with all the stuff. Let me put it like laying down. Okay, there you go. And then in here, which I cannot take out if I don't take this out, is the little package with let's see, all the little like attachments. Yeah, the attachments and the screws right there. The flashlight's like glossing on the thing. Here are all the cables. I'm not gonna go through all of them. If you want to know what they are, then be my guest and search this case up. Or if you're watching this video, it's because you know or want this case. Whatever. And then yeah, here is the fan. Here's the fan. Here are the little like little screwless drive bay stuff thingies. And I think this is the little SSD adapter thing that can go in here. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, and I'm sorry. I'm even like telling myself that sounds stupid when I say no. But yeah, that's kind of just the unboxing. It's nothing much really. It's just pretty much plastic, the case, or the box I mean, the case, and yeah. I don't know how long this little unboxing was. I probably made it over too long. But yeah, I will cut to the scene where I start preparing this, because once again I'm going to be installing a hard drive that I'm using for my old computer, which is it's not even like a known brand. It's like it doesn't focus. There you go. Hitachi RPN 7200 with 500 gigabytes that I still have to actually restore or what's the thing called, restore something. And then this is just a is it a, what is it, light, yeah, there we go, light scribe DVD burner thing, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next clip, and that's my old computer, which won't focus now. And yeah, alright, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright, what's going on, guys? So yeah, I totally forgot, I wasn't done unboxing this. Oh, I mean, yes, I was done unboxing, but I wasn't done kind of like filming the box, or never mind, I wasn't done. I'm gonna show you the other left side panel, and I'm gonna show you where you can make some my bad, some cable management. And I cannot do this one hand, what the heck. Alright, is that done? Okay, there you go. So this side panel just slides off like that, of course, and here are all the, let me flip it this way. Here are all the cable management holes that you can use. You probably can't really use that one. There's no cable holes or cable management holes on top, so you cannot run your I forgot what the cable's called, but there's some cable that you cannot run up there where it makes it easier. But you know, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a big one, so 4 little small ones where you can run your 24-pin connector and your PCI Express connectors, and then down here is where you can run all your cables through the power supply, which mounts in the bottom, which has like little stands, and you'll put your fan in the bottom, like the power supply. As you can see here on this case, this is my old computer, the fan will be on the bottom, or I mean facing like your motherboard. Down here the fan can actually go on the bottom, get air from the bottom, and you know, get fresh air from the bottom, because the power supply actually gets air into it to cool it down. And here's the inside. I can actually, like, my little phone is small, my iPhone is small, so I can actually like bring that in there so you guys can see. There's I forgot to say, or not to say, but I forgot to mention, is there's fans in here. I believe 2 fans, or maybe 1. I might be mistaking. Wow, this case is actually light. I can actually carry it with one finger. Yep, it's pretty light, but it gets heavy with, you know, all the stuff in it. It's just the case by itself. Here's a better look. All the things on top. Hold on. All the things on top. That's pretty much it. And here's the little hiding. I can't get this with the one hand. Hold on. Let's see if I can. Oh, I don't want to scratch my phone. Here's the little connector to the fan. It fell back down. It's over there, tighting. And the fan is down here. I don't know, can you see that little like plastic thing? I can't look at my phone. Do you see that little plastic? That's the fan that lights up red. Better look right there, maybe through the holes. Anyways, yeah, that's it. That's I just wanted to finish the box, because not the box, the case, because I didn't do that in the last 2 clips. The little cable management and more of a look. Hold on, I'm still not done. How do I take this off? The front little does it just snap off? You know what? I'll be right back. I'm gonna figure out how to take this thing off, or this little like front panel like this from my old computer, like that. Yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so after freaking it took me not a long time, but it just took me longer than I thought, longer than expected. All you have to do is down here in the bottom, there's like a little, you can't see, hold on. There's a little a little place for your finger. You just gotta pull up, and the front just pops off. And then there's all the cables. Here's the fan. As you can see, it will light up red. Yep, it's decent. You know, it's whatever. It's a fan. Well, it's not really whatever. It's a fan, but I just said that twice. And yeah, there's the little things that you can take off, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, I will now get into putting once again the hard drive and the CD drive. I probably won't show me actually putting it in, just the final product of once it's in, because I've actually seen how long this unboxing is, and it's actually pretty long. But whatever. Yeah, I will be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back, and I pretty much finished preparing the case for tomorrow. Right now what I've just did is what I said earlier, is because I'm keeping the hard drive and the CD drive for my old computer. I already had it like here. So what I've done is I've gone and installed my CD drive in here. These things are actually not hard but complicated. So like they're complicated but not hard, or if you consider that the same thing, then whatever. But because this CD drive is like old, I don't know if just because it's old they start making them different now. But the CD drive, if I were to like push like in, it moves in. Like you probably can't see it on camera. Like I don't know if you can see, but it's inside. You see how like there's a little like crease right there? See if I can like on that. See how I can like, you see that? Anyways, but and in here I can like, my hand's in the way. Where is it? Right there. Okay, so I can like push this out and stuff, and it's just like, it's not stable. It's not in there good. And then if I were to like move this, so the way you do this is like these little things. Let me take one off. These little things have a little. Let me see. These little things have a little like, I don't know. These things right here, on both sides, and what they do is that they go inside these holes right here, and they pretend to be the screwdrivers when you put in your CD drive, which I put it like way too far. Okay, and tightening it is to the right, like that. And they just go inside the little holes on your C drive like that, but one's like down here. But yeah, and then my hard drive is there. Hard drive is not that hard. All you gotta do is just get your hard drive, and then these also are like screwless, and all you gotta do is put these little quote unquote screws into the hard drive, kind of like this. I had to use the manual for this because I thought I needed to use screws, but I thought I had to use screws, but see, because it says right there, like here, I can focus on that. It looks like they're screws, but they're not. They're just already built into that, and then you just gotta slide it in like that. Focus. And there you go. One thing that I've noticed is that it's missing is that some cases. I know it's like some cases, not all cases, but some cases come with the like engraved thing of like ATX and micro ATX or whatever, of where you put the standoffs. This case does not have them, and inside this instruction manual, let me go real quick just to show you. Inside the instruction manual, it also doesn't actually tell you where to put it for ATX or micro ATX, but because mostly I know for a fact that my board is ATX, and mostly all ATX motherboards have like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, like 9 in total. That's where I put them. I put 1, 2, 3 there, and there and there. And I've also prepared my cable management. I've already ran my cables back through this top hole. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And to do a little size comparison to my new case and my old computer. Look at this. Oh, it's gonna be so different having a big computer, which my old computer is so heavy. Oh God. look at the top. Well, let me put this on. It's so old. Well, not on. Just put it here so it doesn't look so ugly. Okay, well, whatever. Okay, well, this is a bad size comparison. my my phone is not like recording widescreen. Yeah, like tallness comparison. The big difference is really just like this size over here. Still not enough for the camera. There you go. That's kind of a better view, but it doesn't really matter. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in tomorrow. This clip, or this is probably going to get recorded today and then uploaded tomorrow with the video of the computer build. And yeah, so parts I'm expecting, I can probably show you that. I mean, this video's already probably been really long, but whatever. So right now I'm just running, I'm using my laptop, and it's connected to my monitor up there, where, oops, I just dropped the screw, did I? Oh no, it's on my chain. Oh, and by the way, it comes with the standoffs, a lot of screws, and the little speaker, and you should really want to connect this, and you know, hear that little beep when you turn on the computer, because when you hear that beep, then that means the motherboard has recognized all your parts, and all your parts are running, and yeah. So tomorrow I should be expecting, oops, just tomorrow I should be expecting that. I hope you can see that. My G.Skill Ripjaws 12 gigabytes, and I know that the motherboard and stuff it's better when it's dual channeled. I just wanted more than what this computer actually has. This laptop already has an i5, which I'm getting an i5, but this is like a max of like 2.4 gigahertz. Mine's already going to be at 3.3. And overclocking, I'm not getting a aftermarket cooler. I'm using the stock one for now. So overclocking is going to be like later on. But anyways, I moved on from the RAM. I didn't want to talk about the RAM. I mean other stuff, but the RAM, I'm not sure if what I'm going to be doing is dual channeling. If it's actually a lot better than this triple channel thing. I mean, if I use 2 sticks, it's gonna be 8 gigs, and like I said, I wanted something more than this, because this computer has 8 gigs of RAM. This laptop, I'm also getting the ASRock Z60 Extreme 3, Generation 3. It holds the 1155 socket for my Intel Core i5 2500K at 3.3 gigahertz, 3.7 turbo boost. I just got like a cheap cheap power supply. It's the Apevia Java ATX 650 watts. It was $54, and I'm getting the EVGA GeForce GTX 550 Ti, and the subtotal for all of that was $722. And the reason why it was so cheap is because I already have a Windows 7. I saved money on the hard drive, and I saved money on the CD drive. So, you know, doing those 3 things pretty much saved me like, I think I calculated over $300, like $375 or something like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. And tomorrow, or for me tomorrow, for you can click on the annotation if I put an annotation, or the link for the video in the description for pretty much me building the computer. And that's coming tomorrow. I can't wait. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace.